Welcome back to Profe Darla's house. Today, instead of reading you a bedtime story, I thought it would be kind of fun if I taught you how to sign a little song that we maybe have heard before. It's about uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco monos en un árbol. Does this look like an árbol? And somebody sneaky, Mr. Alligator. And this is how we sign it. The most important sign of the song is monkey, and this is what it looks like. Monkey. That looks like a monkey, right? Monkeys do that. That's why this is monkey, just like that. So we start off by singing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little monkeys. And this is how you sign swinging. You make a swing with your fingers, and you sit your other fingers on top and swing them. Swinging from a tree. That looks like a tree, right? Tree. Whoa, that's cool. And this is teasing. Make 2 hooks. Teasing. Slide the top one across. Teasing Mr. Alligator. Can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Alligator. Quiet as can be. And snap that monkey right out of the tree. Now, how many monkeys are left in that tree? Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. 4 little monkeys swinging from a tree. Teasing Mr. Alligator, can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Alligator, quiet as can be, and snap that monkey right out of the tree. Oh no. How many monkeys are left in our tree, guys? Let's count. Uno, dos, tres. Hold on, Profe Darla needs it. This is letter W, so we can't say 3 like that, even though we usually do. This is the way. 3 little monkeys swinging from a tree. Teasing Mr. Alligator, can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Alligator, quiet as can be, and snap that monkey right out of the tree. Uh-oh, now there's only 1, 2, uno, dos monos, uh-oh, 2 little monkeys swinging from a tree. Teasing Mr. Alligator, can't catch me. Whoops, where's my alligator? Along comes Mr. Alligator, quiet as can be, and snap that monkey right out of the tree. Oh no, there's only 1 poor monkey left in the top of the tree. 1 little monkey swinging from the tree. Teasing Mr. Alligator, can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Alligator, quiet as can be, and snap that monkey right out of the tree. Oh no! The alligator got all of our monkeys. Are they okay? I hope they're okay. Let's see. They're all swimming in the water now down here underneath the tree. Oh, I'm okay, guys. Don't worry about me. Hey, guys, come back. The tree is safe again. Oh, yay. Phew. Is the alligator gone? I think he's gone. I think it's safe to swing in the tree again. Phew. They're all okay. Don't worry about those monkeys. Adios, amigos. See you soon.